Alright, so we about to get ready to do the vacuuming. If you see my videos, I tell you, I vacuum, I already blowed, already did everything. So my vacuum ain't gonna take that long because I already blowed everything down. And I start from the top, work my way to the plug, baby. Work my way to the plug. You can see I don't really I try my best to really get down and get everything I can. Uh, well, push all the seats back that I can. Try and get my best in the cracks and the crevices and everything. My vacuum don't take that long on making details. Usually, if I have a full detail, it's a process when you put when you're dealing with carpet and stuff like that. Because one, that dirt cakes up in there. You know, maintenance details, I'm constantly cleaning this. Sometimes, like this client right here that I have in particular, they like to get theirs done. Like maybe I'd probably say like once a month. She's not that. It's not that bad. But sometimes, also too, if you have a driveway and your driveway is clean, or if you have a dirty driveway, your driveway gonna show up in your car. So that's something that you got to look at too. You know, keeping your driveway clean and blow it off makes a difference in keeping the inside of your car clean. Because I tell you, man, sometimes these mats, okay, so what I do is too, I I observe the mats. Or sometimes they might just need a good wipe down. Like this one here got a couple of spots on it, so I'll probably go over it with my chemical when I get done vacuuming. I can go over it now. When I get done vacuuming, I go over it and clean it. So do a little light wipe shampoo. I'm gonna pull out the machine. It's just a spot. You know what I mean? Just a couple of spots. You know, like cough or something good on it. Probably not even cough. I'm telling you. Yeah. That's it. You know, just gotta keep it moving, baby. On to the next. Only got one today. You know,